This is Jeanetta Johnson, and in this video I'm asking you the question, are you like me? Is the only place you ever eat chicken enchiladas at a Mexican restaurant or perhaps a friend's house? Yeah, me too. Well, this video I am going to teach you how to make chicken enchiladas at home, and I am going to help you avoid the mistake I made the first time I made chicken enchiladas. So, my first attempt was very bad. A friend advised me and explained to me what I did wrong. And so, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it right. So yours will turn out delicious and your family and your friends will love them. And the next time you're in the mood for chicken enchiladas, you won't have to run to the nearest Mexican restaurant. You can do it yourself. So I hope you enjoy my video, and on to the next step. Thank you. I have a Mexican style blend of 4 cheeses, finely shredded. It's Monterey Jack, cheddar, I don't know how to say that one, or Ontario, queso, tortilla cheese. We have corn chips. I purchased the gluten-free, but it doesn't matter. These are gluten-free. I got some chicken breasts that I'm going to cook up. I'm using red sauce, La Victoria, 1 sweet onion, not the whole thing, just a portion. Some onion salts, some garlic salts, some regular table salts, and some vegetable oil. That's what we'll need for today's recipe. My chicken is boiling. I tried to show you putting in the onion, but my video thing wasn't working, so I used about half an onion. I put in some garlic salt, some onion salt, and some salt, table salt into the water. So we're letting it boil until the chicken is done cooking. I'm not going to bore you with this detail, so we're going to wait for the chicken to be done and then I'll show you the next step. Our sauce, the La Victoria, in a pan. I had it boiling down, putting it on simmer. I have the chicken boiling. Yeah, it's almost ready for the next step. And then I'm going to fry up the tortillas. Here, now we're going to put our tortillas in there and crisp them on both sides. I'm frying up my tortillas. This is the mistake that most people make. They don't do this step right here. You want your tortillas to be crispy because we are going to put them into the sauce. So this is the area I did it wrong the first time I made chicken enchiladas. Because I didn't deep fry my tortillas. But now that I know, I won't make that mistake again. And you won't have to either. Let me take video. There we go. Okay, I have shredded the chicken. I am going to put a little bit of the La Victoria in here and mix it around in my, oops, I'm making a mess. Okay, I put some of the La Victoria in with the chicken that we've already pre-shredded. Stir that in a bit. That's going to make it extra delicious. Okay, then what we're doing is with the sauce, we're taking our tortilla chips that I crisped and we are rolling them in the sauce here. We're putting them in the sauce. I went ahead and fried them all up so that we can make this process a little faster. So I can show you how to do this. Then you take some chicken, you grab some cheese, and now you're going to roll your tortilla. Now roll it. Okay. It's not wanting to be perfect, but you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to end up eating it. And you do it again. For each tortilla, after it's been nice and crispy, which is the secret to making them perfect, you put your clump of chicken in there, and then you put your clump of cheese in there, and then you let's do it like this until you have the pan completely, whoops, can you see my pan? Until we have this pan completely full. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like once we get them all stuffed. And you pour the rest of the sauce over the top of them. Pouring all that sauce. Okay. Then we're putting a layer of cheese. Okay. Then I'm putting a layer of cheese, and we were going to bake this in the oven. I'm going to put it in at 375 for about 10-15 minutes. You just basically want the cheese to melt because everything is already pre-cooked mostly. So I'm just going to stick this in the oven, and it's going to be wonderful. Forgive me, my videos aren't perfect. I'm not an amateur. I'm an amateur. I'm not a professional, but I make some really delicious food. Like the average woman in America, the average mother in America trying to cook for her children and her family. And we don't always do it perfect, and we don't do it like the professionals. So I hope you enjoyed my video. It's not done yet because we got to see the finished product. But here's this level right before I put it in the oven. Those enchiladas straight out of the oven look great. They look wonderful. And I made a side of rice and beans to go with it. How delicious. How absolutely delicious. So, there you have it. Chicken enchiladas. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm about to enjoy my delicious chicken enchiladas. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. You don't know what you're missing. Hopefully, you'll try my recipe. And hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I do. So, if you enjoyed my video, comment below and let me know, was not frying your tortillas a mistake you were making also? Am I the only one that didn't know you're supposed to do that? I'm sure I'm not. Anyway, and the perfect side dish, of course, is rice and beans. And you can't be without the flour tortillas. I mean, it just ain't the same without it. I like to wrap my rice and beans in a little bit of the chicken enchilada in my flour tortillas. That's just how I like to eat them. But anyway, and to increase the amount, my video, of course, is for, I'm single, and so I was making it for one person. But to make it for a larger family or a party or something, you would want to add more chicken, more enchilada sauce, more cheese, more tortillas, more of everything. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my video. And if you don't want to miss my future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon.